Hello friends, in this video class we have to study about the percentage composition of element from the formula. We have to calculate the percentage composition of the element. So the percentage of element is equal to the mass of element in the compound divided by the molar mass of compound and multiplied by the 100. Here the mass of element is either given or we have already understood about this. So first of all we take one example about this. The example is that calculate the percentage composition of various element in MgSO4. This is the magnesium sulfate, and the atomic mass of Mg is given 24, sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16. So dear friends, first of all we have to calculate the molar mass of MgSO4, and this molar mass is 24, means molar mass of magnesium, plus 32 molar mass of the sulfur, plus 4 into 16, it is the molar mass of the oxygen, and it will be total equal to the 120. So for this, as we know that the percentage equal to the mass of the element divided by the molar mass. So let us start from the first composition of Mg. So for percentage Mg equal to the mass of Mg, here the 24. So 24 divided by molar mass. So molar mass equal to the 120 and total multiply by 100. Then it will be 20. Similarly, percentage of sulfur, so it will be 32 divided by 120 and then multiplied by 100, and the answer will be 26.67%. Rest, third one can be calculated like this: 100 minus 20 plus 26.67, or like this: percentage of oxygen equal to the one oxygen atomic mass is the 16 and total 4 oxygens are there in this compound. So we have to write here 16 into 4, that will be 64. So 64 divided by the 120 and multiplied by 100, and the total equal to the 53.33%. We can calculate the sum of all element like the percentage of Mg, percentage of sulfur and percentage of oxygen will be always 100. So we can check our answer. So dear friends, I think that you have to able about to understand how to calculate the percentage composition of the element. Now the next thing is that empirical formula and the molecular formula. So friends, first of all understood what is the empirical formula. The empirical formula, it is very easy to understand. It is the formula which expresses the simplest whole ratio of the atom in the various elements present in the compound. It means like that the X, Y, Z, these are the three elements are present in any compound, and its simplest whole ratio like the 1, 2, 3, this may represent to the empirical formula. We can write down like this: it is the simplest whole ratio of atoms, like the various atoms in the element So students, first of all we have to take one example to understand about the empirical formula. Like the question is given as, so the example is an inorganic salt gave following percentage composition, that is the sodium is 21.11%, sulfur is 40.51%, oxygen is 30.38%. Now to calculate empirical formula of this inorganic salt. So students, for this first of all you have to let that total compound is 100 gram. Total compound is 100 gram. So we can say here in this compound sodium will be 11.11 gram, sulfur will be 40.51 gram, and similarly oxygen will be 30.38 gram. Now the next thing is that to calculate its molar mass. So for calculation of the empirical formula, first of all we have to make 7 columns. First column, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and these columns, first is for the serial number, second is for the element, which element we have to calculate it here, element, third is the its percentage, given percentage, or we can say the amount of atomic mass of element, atomic mass of element. Next, moles, as we know that moles equal to the given mass upon molar mass, or we can calculate the percentage atomic mass, or percentage divided by atomic mass, and then simplest molar ratio. One more column required here. This will be simplest whole number molar ratio. So students, one by one we can calculate it. Like the first element, our first element is the sodium, so write here Na for the sodium. Then its percentage is given 29.11, 29.11. The atomic mass of sodium, as we know that it is the 23, and the moles equal to the percentage divided by the atomic mass. So 29.11 divided by 23, it will be 1.26. Next, second one, just skip these two. First of all, calculate the moles of all element given. Then sulfur. For the sulfur, it is the 40.51, and its atomic mass, we know that the 32. So write here the 32. Now the 40.51 divided by the 32, its mole will be 1.26 also. And the third is the oxygen. It is given as the 30.38 and its atomic number 16. So the 30 divided by 16, it will be 30.38, divided by 16, it will be gives 1.8689. Now the simplest molar ratio, for calculation of this simplest molar ratio, just check all the moles of elements, which is the least, or we can say which is the smallest. We divided the smallest value with all the moles. Once again, the value of sodium moles is 1.26, the sulfur is 1.26 also, and the oxygen is 1.89. Now divide simplest number of moles or the smallest number of the moles. This is that 1.26 in this case. So divide 1.26 in all, means the value of this is 1.26 divided by 1.26. For this 1.26 divided by 1.26, and for this 1.89 divided by 1.26. So the value will be 1 here, but here will be 1.5. Now to change it in the whole number, so this is whole number, this is whole number, but this is not whole number, this is the 1.5. To change its whole number, to multiply by 2, to multiply by 2, to multiply by 2, it means we have to get 2, 2 and 3. The empirical formula, in the empirical formula we write Na, then S, then O, and the simplest whole number of sodium is the 2, so write here 2. Sulfur is the 2, write the 2, and oxygen is the 3, so write the 3. It will be Na2S2O3. So this is the simplest empirical formula which we can calculate it. Now in the example we have to try to understand how to calculate. In some another examples, it is given to calculate the molecular formula. In the next class we discuss about this. So dear students, this is the class 11, and I request to you, please subscribe my channel, and my channel name is Chem Class R.K. Sharma. There is a space between R and K, so just type this in the YouTube channel and you can get the my channel. So please subscribe. If you like the video, then you may like.